Nigerian, great Nigerian, great Nigerian citizen all over the world. If you no talk wetin dey inside belle, belle go dey swell up join am. Yes, you talk you die, you no talk you die. It's better you die like hero than you die like a coward. My people, I bring my word from Psalm 11 verse 3. If foundation be destroyed, what the righteousness be do? As in my own language, tí ìpìlẹ̀ bá bàjẹ́, kí ni olódodo yóò ṣe? He can do nothing. God, I no reach to blame you, I can never blame you. Because you are the fitter of everybody life. I don't know why you create Asia continent, American continent, European continent with earthquake. But in Africa, most especially in Nigeria, you create our leader as our earthquake. Why be say our leader for Nigeria, from federal government to the councillor, why be say na there be our earthquake? I don't know. It's always bothering me. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say for that. Upon what we get for Nigeria, as in, Mr. President, you say what happened in Nigeria always shock you. You say they shock you. Now so Mr. Sanwo-Olu go still talk. Lagos State Governor. That's what you go talk. People will go sweep Lagos State for you. When they sweep everything for you, when they make they mention you and they say Lagos State is beautiful. But for inside darkness, oh, okay. Lagos State is beautiful. Why you not pay them for their salary for 3 months? But that we get picking for us. We get 4 children. We get 3 children. We get wife for us. How you want make it every day as a man? And you see they work every day by day. 3 months salary, no payment. Mama will get white head. When they sweep early in the morning around 4 o'clock, it don't start to the sweep. Why we say no fit collect that salary for 3 months, no fit get salary of 3 months? Now be our earthquake, Nigerian leader, Nigerian politician. Now be our earthquake. Now wait till I want shop on they find. On I want keep money, on I want find money. As in, I don't know where on I want carry the money go. No go here on now. If I yeah bro, what's up man? If I go ask Abiola today, if I go ask people who don't rule the country today, all the money where the Abacha, all the money where they thief, where the money they today, it don't die. And now they thief the money, The country they go to revise every day by day. Now God now go punish on her. Minus Borno State Governor, minus Cross River State Governor. On our way remain, Mr. Sanwo-Olu, nobody I never they praise you. What do you do for them? Because you share sewing machine for them. Where they say 10 euro for a year. Now you just deceive people. I was in Yahweh or Bernie on a dog craze. All Nigerian politicians on a dog craze. All Nigerian governments Ogun I go kill on Jesus' name. A fankulo, Zebrumo, fankulo. Make an idea everywhere. If on a thing say that money waiting for that country, on a one you say they keep for a 4th generation. Now one by one, papa they lost. Now one by one, now a bunch of they lost. That's why I'm gonna go take loss. And I no go shop with her and reap with the money. And I no go fish shop in Jesus' name. That's how it go be. That's how it go be. Make Oduduwa go on your own. Great Oduduwa. Great Biafra. Great Arewa. Because as we combine 3 heads together, as in solution all day, make everybody go on your own. And who go stand say Oduduwa no go? Who go stand say Oduduwa no go stand? Oduduwa no go great. Now Ogun go kill and Jesus name. Now Ogun go kill the person in Jesus name. And who get mouth to speak out? When no go speak out for Yoruba land, no Ogun go kill them from A to Z. And that's how it go be. Jesus now the best one. Afankulu as the Brahman. Afankulu as the Brahman. The best one now. Ogun go kill. Now so now put up for inside darkness. So now darkness of the world. Now it go end on our life. Now so it go end on our life for Nigerian politician. And now they fight. And I no get sense. See leader they fight for parliament. The Brahman. And they run the can abroad. Abroad get to where they plant money.